Congratulations on this Lifetime Achievement Award. The recognition is a true testament to your hard work and commitment in the creation of Fleet Management as one of the world's leading third-party ship management company, but also for your contribution to the maritime industry globally. I was once told that to accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream, not only plan, but also believe. Kishore, this quote resonates true with what you have achieved in your career. May you keep climbing new heights of success ever, forever, and after. Congratulations, Kishore.
He's also incredibly dedicated and enthusiastic about the maritime industry.
Mr. Rajvanshi, brilliant, great motivator. This is the reason why the company is at this level.
Mr. Rajvanshi is a person who believes in perfection. If you combine this with his modesty and his humane character, that is what makes him a legend and a true recipient to a Lifetime Achievement Award.
I see him as a great mentor and an amazing leader. It's fascinating to see how he comes up with simple solutions to the most complicated problems and situations at work.
He has been a role model for any generation. He is an inspiration by himself on the subject of ship management. He has given a career, a place of pride to thousands of Indian seafarers and their families.
Admire Mr. Rajvanshi for his grit and his determination in building up Fleet Management Limited. And we've all been touched by the magic that is Mr. Rajvanshi.
Deserved honor for you. I can think of no one who is harder working, smarter, or wiser, or more deserving.
My late grandfather had great beliefs in you and what you were capable to do, and these abilities are now being rewarded with this prize.
I must admit that I have always been impressed by your vigor, stamina, and professionalism in catering for our needs as ship owners.
Dear Kishore, for the ones that does not know me, my name is August Faye. I live in Bergen, Norway, where you, Kishore, have had a strong foothold all the time since I first met you almost a decade ago. See that the relationship that we had beyond the business side now is being continued.
Doesn't have a word impossible in the dictionary. Everything is possible.
Mr. Kishore Rajvanshi is a great leader and a man of fixed and unbending principles. And it's no wonder that he's called the Guruji of ship management.
It is your determination, focus and passion for ship management that has inspired so many of us to follow in your steps.
Because you are an icon, an inspiration, and a true leader to all of us. For it isn't just another milestone in your legendary career, but a solid verification of what you have done for all of us here in Fleet Management.
I have known you ever since I was a kid, and I think that you're a gifted maverick for being modest about your accomplishments, for inspiring your employees to love what they do at Fleet, and for encouraging us to be the kind of people who work together to keep people happy.
Things that you have done, at one point in time people will notice it, despite the fact that you like to maintain very low profile. And today is the time that people have seen it. For me, I look at you more as a friend than a business partner, because that's the feeling you give me when I come to see you and when I talk to you, that a smile is always there, that warmth is there, that welcoming smile is there. And I think I have seen you always working with your colleagues also in the same way. And that is a great quality in a person like you.
Your continuous leadership, dedication, and vision has given to the industry some hope, some light in the current difficult market.
Your charm, your courtesy, and indeed your steely determination are, in my view, entirely unparalleled. On behalf of myself and indeed the whole of the West of England, can I congratulate you on this richly merited Lifetime Award.
Congratulations, Dad, on receiving this Lifetime Achievement Award from Sailor today. I'm sure everyone in the audience can attest to what an inspirational leader Dad has been in the industry. Today, I want to talk about what inspirational role model Dad has been for me personally. He's influenced me in a lot of areas, and I want to talk about 3 areas in particular today. The first one is around investing in family and family ties. The second one is around really believing in yourself, and the last one is around being open and honest even when it's unpopular. To start with, even ever since I've been a young boy, Dad has really focused on making sure that me and my brother Vikram understood that family is the bedrock for long-term success and stability. And you know, Dad really walked the walk. Like, when, no matter how tired, how exhausted he was, whenever he came back from work, he really made sure that he invested in mine and my brother Vikram's personal growth. And I always appreciated this. I remember even as a young boy being very impressed by his dedication. But I think I truly appreciated this only recently when I became a father myself. When I realized that it's an easy thing to say, but to actually dedicate 100% of your energy to both work and family is truly a difficult thing. And when I sometimes feel that I'm falling short, I really look at my dad as inspiration that it can be done. I see my father apply the same values he applies to his immediate family to his work family.
Congratulations, Dad, on receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award. If it had to be someone, it really had to be you. My dad is a jack of all trades. He wears the hat of an engineer, a dad, and a mentor all at the same time. And they say men cannot multitask. There was a quote my dad used to say to us as kids, and that was, "There's no substitute for hard work." I live to those words still today, as my dad has been the prime example of this, taking nothing for granted and taking no shortcuts in life.
A most tremendous life to celebrate. Moments to be cherished, appreciated, and relived. Sailor today is indeed most privileged to capture these moments forever.
Wow, wow. Please, let's take back our positions. Please, Karishma. Great. Ladies and gentlemen, now for the moment of moments. A thunderous round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Kishore Rajwanshi and Mrs. Shashi Rajwanshi. Sir, ma'am, we are truly honored to present the most coveted 15th Sailor Today Seashore Award for a lifetime of achievement. This calls for a standing ovation, everybody. Let's welcome a Lifetime Achievement Award winner on stage. Put your hands together. Congratulations. sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, and maybe now present the award. Maybe have. Yes, everybody, all our presenters, please, if we could. This is definitely a moment amongst moments, one of the best moments that we're going to cherish for a very, very long time. Please, sir.
Congratulations, Mr. Rajvanshi. Believe me, this is just the beginning. Many, many more such to come. Trust me. Congratulations once again.
Wow. Maybe have a few words from you, sir, please.
Can I ask you to hold this for me?
Sure.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to receive this respect in the midst of loved ones and the industry icons. I would like to thank very much Sailor Today for thinking about the work I have done and my life's contribution to the shipping industry and bestowing on me this recognition. It truly makes me feel humble getting this honor. The past 47 years has been an incredible journey for me, as it brought me from a small town in Rajasthan to the frontiers of international ship management arena. Like most of us who have joined sea, my entry into the shipping, actually I was thrust into the shipping by chance. And it was through an accidental application which I made in 1970 to Shipping Corporation of India for a job. Having spent 8 years at Shipping Corporation of India, and then subsequently 15 years at Univan, in November 1994, I established Ship Management Limited. Less than 21 years later, that is today, Fleet is recognized as the third largest ship management company in the world. It's the second largest operator of bulk carriers and the fourth largest manager for tankers. Fleet today manages a diversified fleet of ships of 400 ships valued at collectively more than 15 billion US dollars. It employs 12,000 seafarers on the ships and 700 personnel in shore-based offices. And these offices are located in 22 cities across 12 countries. In the midst of all this, what's most heartening for me is to see that the core team of people which I had put together in the first 5 years of operation has still stayed with me, and they work with me by my side. And some of them, I'm so happy that they are here this evening with me. I would like to thank each one of them for burning midnight oil and helping me to build this company ship by ship. If given a chance, would I do it any differently? That is, would Lord Varuna allow me to do? Would I? The answer is a firm no. Because every initiative which I have taken has led to the new discoveries and the new findings which has helped me to achieve what I have. To conclude, I would like to thank Sailor Today once again for its 25th anniversary, and also my best wishes to Captain Nangya's father on his 90th birthday. And I wish him good health and happiness for the years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. It's truly an honor and privilege having you here with us today. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Now that is what we call a real celebration of life. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, and that's what Sailor Today is all about, giving you memorable moments to cherish year after year. It is said that the best ship management companies understand intimately what it takes to keep a fleet up and running with high quality standards. To ensure quality ship operations and to preserve the ship value is the responsibility of a good ship manager.
Living up to all these qualities and much more is this year's winner. The company celebrated its 10th year anniversary in India, and its success shows in its seafarer retention rate of 98%. In fact, it now plans to expand employment on its cruises side too, which will further increase the number of Indian national seafarers the company employs.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for MSC Ship Management, the Ship Manager of the Year. With great pleasure, I'd like to call on stage Mr. Prabhat Jha, Mrs. Neeta Jha, and Captain M.P. Bhasin to come on stage to receive this very coveted award.
Congratulations. So we would, yes, that's for you. We would love to hear something from you.
Thank you, Sailor, today. Thank you, Captain Nangia. Thank you, Madam Nangia, for another memorable event. And also, we'd like to extend our warm wishes for the Senior Nangia's 90th birthday. It's always a pleasure for us to be here, and we are very happy to receive this award another year, and we dedicate this to all our seafarers working on board the ships and the excellent team that we have in India. And we would like to thank our MSc management in Geneva, who have truly believed in potential of India, and we will always try to make this special position strong in the company. Thank you, Sailor, today once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, our 25th anniversary evening is simply perfect. Don't you agree with me, Rashmi?
Absolutely, Umesh. Yet, no show is complete without some soulful songs. What do you say? Ladies and gentlemen, did you know that Neeta ma'am is the nightingale of the shipping industry? Yes, yes, you cannot hide, absolutely not. Well, we don't intend to let go our chance of listening to her melodious voice.
Yes, we should say nightingale or nightingale.
Neetangale.
Exactly.
Yes. And I just got to know there's a connection from Kolkata, like a bonk and the connection, Jha, Calcutta. Jha.
Wow.
So which means she has to be a wonderful singer. So we cannot let you go, ma'am.
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
at all.
So